Selective pallet racking is a cost-effective storage system providing direct access to all pallets. It provides high-capacity storage, is easily installed and adjusted, and has low equipment and capital costs. Usually consists of upright frame, beam, pallet support, and standards components. Adjustable pallet racking systems come in many different styles, but it is important to get the basics right. For safe and efficient operation, pallet racking systems must be designed to fit and function with both the handling equipment and the load. Box beam steel shelves feature a front box beam construction and rear flanges, reducing the need for reinforcements. Flanges are welded to the underside of the shelf on 3 inches. The shelves also feature lapped and welded corners, as well as double-flanked sides. The shelves come with 4 compression clips that hold the shelf firmly in place and can be repositioned at any time on. The shelves are available in a wide variety of sizes, in open or closed configurations, and in 3 capacity ranges: medium, heavy-duty, and extra heavy-duty. In addition, they are punched in the face and on the surface for customization with a full range of the manufacturer's accessories including dividers, heavy-duty modular drawers, back and side braces, shelf boxes, bin fronts, and label holders. Upright rack roll forming machine is for producing upright racks for warehouse pallet rack system. The sizes and thicknesses are adjustable and customized. Racking system box beam roll forming machine is designed to produce various sizes of box beams as buyer's requirements. LOTOSFORMING is one of the leading racking making machine manufacturers in the racking industry of China, and specialized in the design, manufacture the roll forming machines. For getting more information, don't forget subscribe us.